Had a closet support arm break the top shelf in half and needed to come up with a fast way to get it back up and running. People wanted to hang stuff back up, and they knew it's going to be a temporary repair, and so this is what I came up with on this day. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. On this one, I needed to come up with a quick repair for a closet shelf that broke in half. The support arm that was hanging below it was too heavy and broke the top shelf, and then the support rod pulled out the screws. So just as a quick fix, I know it's just a temporary deal, probably eventually be replacing the shelf anyway, but people had stuff they wanted to hang back up. And so what I did was take a vertical blind bracket and hammered it out straight, took the clip off, hammered it out straight, and then used some fender washers, ran the screws through the top, drilled a hole, 2 holes, ran the screws through the fender washers, through the particle board, then through the vertical blind angle bracket, and then used some larger nuts, and then screwed the screws into the nuts, tightened it up. It's a done deal. It's a temporary fix, but it could be even a somewhat permanent fix. Just probably don't want to hang quite so much stuff on the bracket. This one has 4 other shelf support brackets. It's a very long shelf, so not a big deal, but you can then repair the crack with either some wood putty, Bondo, caulking, something strong to help support it, or can replace the shelf at a later time. But this was how I got through this one. Thought I'd share it with you. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the description.